Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So let's update our view on the gold market. Here actually you could see everything by yourself, not many things that we need to comment. Yesterday we said that the market should keep going back to the 2690 area, approximately 2670. So because here will be intraday targets, and actually that will be a very important test for the gold market in general and our midterm strategy in particular. So because if the first stage of our plan works nice, so we said that this is vital point for the gold, bulls has to hold it to keep bullish chances, and that has happened. Market has moved out from this level, standing inside of the pennant. Now the second stage is coming. Market has to prove the bullish ambitions with the upside breakout, and what is more important is that that should be a real breakout. Market should not return back down later, so it should not be a failure breakout, and probably it could happen today. So it's coming closer to the destination point that we have discussed. On the 4 time frame chart, this is particular XOP 2686. 618 level already has been broken, which is great actually for the bullish situation. Invalidation point stands intact, everything just great. Also, you have long positions, you could keep them, but be aware of perils report and be prepared for any action here. Just act as soon as you could see it will be necessary. So one market will complete this target. Watch for either be prepared for breakout or tight your stops. Also keep in mind that we are coming to the weekend, where is also in recent time not really safe to hold positions for the weekends. So do something for protection. If you're an advanced trader and you have not a lot of assets in your account, you could think even about buying some options to protect the position. So, but this is extremely interesting situation, extremely interesting moment for the gold is testing this area. So on the hourly chart, you could see that market was not forming any significant retracement yesterday. So we talked about this minor got steeple to sell, but the only thing that we've got is the minimum target of this pattern has been tested, 30% retracement of this upper ABCD. So I've just increased the scale just to show you better. So you can see here it was just a minor retracement. We haven't got any deeper retracement to the fib levels, and market just keep going higher. Now you could see it has tested 127 extension of this, let's call it as a butterfly, as we discussed yesterday. Anyway, the retracement extension of this recent retracement is 127, 2678 has been tested, minor pullback, market keep going higher. Here's a very important moment to discuss. If you take a look at the dollar index and the 10-year bonds, you do not see there any weakness. So both are rising. And since market shows this stubborn resistance to the pressure from the yields from the dollar, it keeps going high. Yes, this constant pressure adds some choppiness in the price action. You could see it's not very stable. So you see how hard market's trying to keep going higher. But the fact that it is going higher together with the yields and the dollar, it tells that here we have significant bullish mood, significant bullish sentiment behind this action. And if some weakness will be in the bonds, in the dollar, some minor relief or something, or today, for example, might be slightly weaker payrolls, that might be enough for gold trying to show some acceleration. So I would treat this as some kind of the significant bullish potential. And well, here I'm not sure that today we get 2696. Next extension of the butterfly, but watching for XOP is quite possible. So it's another $15 per contract. That's probably the target that we need to consider. And let's see how the situation will develop. If payrolls will be absolutely terrible, well, in this case, market could try to break this trend line even today. We will see. And finally, just for discussion, this may be not as important for today and the nearest weeks, but I already briefly talked about this in the Forex video today. This is the tragedy in California, as you know. So this will be really long-lasting event with a lot of consequences, and the echo of this will spread over the United States economy for a considerable period of time, because this tragedy just has happened. Nobody could calculate the overall damage of this, but this definitely will make impact on the budget. This definitely will make impact on the insurance sector. This definitely will make impact on the banking sector and on the social sector. Currently, lots of talkings about who will compensate to the people this damage. Federal government, insurance companies, or something. If some problems will be there, it will be lots of lawsuits. It will be lots of social unrest concerning this situation. So that it's really might be a very resonance situation as in the politics, as in the economy in the United States due to this situation in California. So on the gold market, it also might make impact depending on what way overall situation starts to develop. So if you're not interested in this topic, just from time to time watch for headlines and control what's the really in what direction overall situation is turning. So that's just for information. Here today, those who have longs, keep longs, just protect your position, and let's see what the payrolls numbers will be.